Now, you will put glue here on your flower. With the teacher, just put a little glue, just like this. Look, just like this. Yes. Put a little glue. And then get your popsicle stick and put it here on top of the glue on the flower.
Where?
And tap and tap. Tap and tap. Tap and tap. That it will stick on the flower. Tap and tap. And then teacher will give you scotch tape. You'll put scotch tape here. And then get your plastic cup, your vase, and then stick your flower here. That. Okay? We'll pass around the tape dispenser.
Mama will help you cutting out.